I will always love you, however long I stay. I will always love you, whatever words I say. I will always love you, I will always love you. Hello everybody, I'm Vasco from ukulelecheats.com, and today we're making Lovesong by The Cure. I will show you how to play it in the original key. If that way is hard for you to sing it, you can transpose the song in ukulelecheats.com. But anyway, first I'll show you the chords. After that we'll look at the parts, the strumming pattern that I'm doing, and after that we'll do a play along. If you stick to the end of the video and play along with me, you'll learn the song today, right now. Okay, so let's go. Alright, so the first chord we need is the chord of A minor. Then we have the chord of G. After that we need the chord of F. And then we need the chord of E minor. And also for the chorus we need the chord of C. Alright, so we have just two parts. The main part, which is A minor to G to F to E minor. Okay? We are doing this in the intro, in the interludes, and in the verses. And for the strumming pattern I'm doing, we have to look at the chords as pairs of chords. On the first one, on A minor, we're doing down, 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 up, down. And we go to G a little bit earlier than the first time with an up strum. Up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? And then we do the same on the next pair. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And after the second verse, we go to the chorus where we keep the same strumming pattern. We look at the chords as pairs, and we start with F to G to A minor to C. And again, F to G to A minor to C. We're repeating these things 3 times. This is the third. I will always love you. And on the fourth time we're just doing F to G. I will always love you. And we go to the main part. And after the first verse we have another chorus, another interlude, and after that we have the second chorus, which is the same, but after you do the F to G the last time, you just finish on A minor. And this is how you finish the song. And pretty much that's all you need to know to do the song. Now let's do the play along. If it's too fast for you, slow down the video from this YouTube feature. And yeah, let's give it a try. So that was my ukulele tutorial for Lovesong. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you really soon. Goodbye.